Okay, let's see what we got in the other box. Oh, so we dropped this on the floor. Who did that? Oh, destroyed. Should sharpen up. Maybe next time. More of a tearing thing than a cutting tool. Oil leak in. Maybe there's an oil tank in there. Something in there. No, this box is definitely seen better days. Oh. Ah, damn, I hurt that wrist. Yeah, when cardboard's like a damp leaf, that's not very good. Still don't know what's in there, a bunch of crap. Probably Harley crap. There the camera go. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Let's see a bracket. An exhaust bracket maybe? Fender bracket. Oh, there's triple two in here. Cowbells. Road turd crap. Jeez, can't imagine why this box is crushed. Yeah, let's go this way with it. Oh, there's a clutch in there too. Alright, let's start getting the weight out. Definitely road turd trees. Boy. It'll work a lot better if you disassemble this crap before you send it. Yep. Genuine road turd. Man, they could just throw that on the dumpster before not even shipped it. The hell wants a stupid road turd rack. Painted black. Just, ooh, fancy. Car caliper. How much of that weigh? Oh, there's oil lines in here. No wonder it's oily. Just a heat shield or something. Fender covers. Strut covers. Sanded all the chrome off so they look better, I guess. They don't look any better. Looks like a bracket for something. Oh, it must be a license. It must be part of that rock down here. Part of the road turd rock. Part that makes road turd noises, I guess. Looks like a shift lever. Why is that in a plastic bag? I have no idea. Master cylinder reservoir for the back. What the hell did I buy all this crap for? Oh, there's an oil tank in there. Foot pedal. Okay, oily. Yeah. Footboards don't look too bad. Not really any value in this damn box. I'm trying to figure out why I bought all this crap. What the hell's that going? The steering head? Definitely road turd crap. Hemorrhoid pad collector tool? Who knows? Guessing this is riser hardware. This box is worthless. I don't know why I bought this. Footboards look good, but they're bent. Yep. That one is. This one looks straighter. That one's straighter. Brake lever, don't care about that. Rear caliper. I know I didn't give a squat about that damn thing. I have no idea what this big piece of crap's for. Obviously it goes around the swing arm to hold it, but what the hell is this big stupid bolt head sticking out for? Am I supposed to pinch it so it doesn't rattle or something? I don't know. I have no idea what that big piece of crap is. It is a big piece of crap. Yeah. Definitely 80s, 90s crap. Okay. I got a 97 road turd, 96. Missing a few parts, but I think all this crap's on it. It's a rolling chassis. These might be missing, but I know I didn't buy these. No damn reason I bought them stupid things. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. I don't know why I would buy triple trees, because I don't need any. Cowbells are bent to hell. There's the other riser bolt. There you go. Looks like we're missing a nut. We're missing a bolt too. Alright, that was not happy going in there. Oh, it fell off. This one's missing both nuts. I assume it matters how this goes together. Well, maybe not. Guess it doesn't matter if it's the front or rear. Alright, that goes in there like that. You rotate as you hold your finger on it. I think I got it. Alright, missing one bolt. Okay, now we got a bunch of crap hanging off of here. So I'm assuming this crap here hangs off of that crap there. Don't know how. I'm assuming it goes underneath all this junk. Obviously there's a bunch of electrical crap there too. Got a lock tab on it. It's got to be on top. I don't know how that would fit in there. Goes on like this behind it? I don't know, that's kind of stupid, but well, I know. See, I always think this is the back, it's the front on a road turd. This is the back. I think it's backwards on a road turd. This must go like this, and Fahrenheit's all this shit. I don't know, anybody need one? I got one. It's an early oil tank, so they changed the battery in 98, I think. So that must be 97 earlier, that oil tank. It's about the extent of my road turd knowledge. So I'm assuming I bought the trees, or it was for the clutch. The clutch is rusty. So this is a 98 clutch. Pretty sure that's not 98 oil tank. It's a late clutch. Once again, I don't know why'd I buy it. Splines look good, so maybe I bought all this shit for the clutch. I don't know. Beats me. It's road turd crap. Who cares? Alright, that's it for that.